It's time for the pup. So the pup, at the moment I have just filled the hole just with a little bit of blue tack. So let's just give her a chuck and see what happens. Always want to be chucking into wind. Well, we haven't got much of a breeze today. Well, in fact we've got nothing, so here we go. So pitching up and down. So I'm just going to add a little bit more weight to the front and let's see what happens. Just a touch more weight, I think. I think we're spot on with that. Now, got to be careful because the grass is a little bit damp. So this balsa wood is going to suck up water quicker than a politician at a free meal. So anyway, I've got the trim just about right. So she's flying nicely in a straight line. So what I'm going to try and do now is introduce a little bit of a turn. So we can get it up and it slowly floats down in a nice turn. So what I'm going to do is the vertical surface, this one here, I'm just going to give it, without breaking it, just give it a little bit of a massage that side, look. So I just put a tiny little curve in it. Now watch what happens. Let's give it a bit more, see where she goes. Just to massage the elevator up just a little bit. I'm just going to give her just a bit more gentle right hand turn. What I'm doing is I'm actually curving the rudder just round to the right, but being very gentle. I don't know if you can see that little curve on there.